Exclusive time. We'll start with PS3. God of War 3. People sell kidneys just to get the system so they can have just this game. God of War. Uh, Everyone knows pretty much the story of God of War, whether you're a gamer or not. Kratos. He was betrayed. He's got the ashes of his family on his body. Yada, yada, yada. He's trying to get revenge from those who have wronged him. Well, God of War 3 takes it, like, so much bigger. Like, God of War 2 was a pretty big game. They're saying that God of War 3, you'll have areas, like, 4 times larger than those found in God of War 2. And that's insane. Like, you're literally most of the time on the backs of titans. You know, you got a living, like, moving, breathing level that you're walking on. It won't even seem like it at times, but yeah, that's just something that is always there. It's crazy. They Sony upped their they upped their lighting and their engine a little bit just to make the world more unique and more 3D. It just looks like so much better. Like, you'll see from the gameplay that'll be going on, like, they still have their signature brutal combat, like slashing your way through millions of enemies, you know, just trying to get to one thing. Mythological creatures, just you're sticking your sword through their face and flipping it over. It's crazy. New weapons as well, like these awesome gauntlets that I've seen. Look like they had dragons on the end of them. They're called the Cestus. They're just powerful gauntlets, you know. They just have unbelievable strength. Limited range though, you know. So if you're used to that swinging, hitting a guy way out there, yeah, that won't happen with those. But yeah, they'll have like the Cestus and, you know, many more other evil weapons to torture your poor enemies with. God of War 3, March 16th, 2010. That's when that one will be out. So yeah, all you Sony owners better get that, and all you Xbox owners better go to your Sony friend's house. All right, Xbox exclusive, Microsoft and Remedy Games. Alan Wake, roll clip.
We're here. Can you believe this place? This would make a wonderful setting for a book.
We're supposed to be on vacation, Alice. I don't know what happened. It was dark. She was screaming. Someone took her.
Alice! And they want the manuscript?
I found many pages.
The story's coming true.
It's all in your head.
I've got to find the manuscript to make sense of what's happening.
You are making this up.
It's my fault.
Please help! Alan!
I'm sorry.
They're here!
I'm Alan Wake, the writer.
All right, that was Alan Wake for Xbox 360. Guys who did Max Payne. It's kind of a new, refreshing thriller look for them. It's kind of nice. May 2010. That's what we got for that one. Well, quick summary. Super Street Fighter 4, April 27th. Capcom. Gonna be good. Final Fantasy. Well, no, we'll do Bad Company 2 first. March 2nd, EA and DICE. Awesome. Final Fantasy 13, March 9th, Square Enix. Surprisingly, jump ship. It's all good. God of War 3, Sony Entertainment, March 16th. And finally, Alan Wake, May 2010. Alan Wake makes me want to get an Xbox. So, see you later. All right. So next time I see you guys, I'm putting together a massive list of the top 10 like most scary games. I'm trying to get everybody in on this. Just tell me what their most frightening game they've ever played. You know, the game that made you only play it during the daytime. So, yeah, let's get that going. Right down here, like down in this area under, put what your most scary game is. Like, I don't want a list of this game, and this game. I want one game. That's it.